What is going on, everybody? Today, we are doing something extremely different. I'm adding a new playlist on my YouTube channel called What's in the Bag. Now, basically, it's just what do I bring with me when I go to these places? Today, we're going to start with Disney for 1 day, 1 day trip to Disney. Obviously, everyone usually just goes for 3 4 days, 5 days, usually 3 4 days. I go a billion times, so I can go 1 day. I'm good. So what do I bring for 1 day? Stay tuned. First thing that you bring to a 1 day trip, you gotta have a bag. So what I do is I get I got this Mickey bag. All right, I can store things, and yeah, I can store a lot. That can help out. You have to have a bag. My recommendation is get a bag that can fit a lot, but not too heavy on your shoulders, because I've had that problem. So get a bag first. Doesn't matter if it's a small or big one. Just make sure you have some important things. First important thing is water. It's hot, especially in the summer. During the winter, it depends, but bring plenty of water, some Gatorade, just some juice to get your blood flow going. Okay? So you want to bring some water, which in my bag, I got some water. Okay? So, there you go. That's the first thing. The second thing is bring some tiny snacks. Could be some cheese and crackers, could be some crackers, could be bread. Bring some tiny snacks, because obviously quick service is not cheap. So bring some snacks from your house, or if you're staying at a hotel, bring some snacks from that you brought. Third thing is to bring some sunscreen if you're in the summer, because obviously unless you are covered, you're probably gonna get a sunburn. So make sure you bring some sunscreen. That's important. Next thing is to bring, or currently, is a mask. Marvel. So yeah, bring a mask, because it's required. Also, this is a high recommendation. If you saw it, I have some gloves in there. If you want to protect yourself during COVID, if you have to use the bathroom, use the gloves. That's about it. With that, but another thing I want to tell you is, if you have a camera, bring a camera. If you have a camera bag, bring a camera bag. But bring a charger. That's the main one. Charger. If you're going to be taking a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, your phone's going to die quicker than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah. So it's going to go quicker. So make sure you bring a charger. If you are going to get some food, bring a few extra bucks. There are places that are extremely cheap in Disney, but just make sure best way to put it is make sure you do some research on the prices, but bring a card or cash in handy in case you are going to get something, because Epcot's got a lot of stuff. There's a lot of certain drinks, a lot of food. So just bring some extra cash in handy. Make sure you keep it together. If you're gonna put it in the bag, make sure you know where it is at all times. Secure it. Bring an umbrella because it's Florida and it rains. That's another point. Because it's gonna rain, and if you're not, if it does, and if you wanna go home, let's say, and you're in the back of International Gateway, you gotta have your umbrella in order to take off like Buzz Lightyear to the car. So, besides that, that's about it with my bag. It's not that much for one day. So, yeah, one day back. That being said, this new playlist that I'm going to be doing, it's going to be I wouldn't say a lot because I haven't really flown that much this year, but it's going to be just based on personal experience. Next week, I'll be making one for anyone who stays at a Disney resort because I'm actually staying at a Disney resort next week. So I'm going to give you that. December, I'm going back to a Disney resort for my birthday, for my 30th. So I'm going to tell you how I'm packing for my 30th. I am flying to Minnesota at the end of this month for fall for a little bit. So I'm going to show you what I pack for that. Basically going to show you packing for Busch Gardens, packing for Adventure Island, if I go to Adventure Island. Just a lot of packing stuff, so keep an eye. As you know, it's traveling is kind of a scar, has been limited for me. So I'm just trying to come up with a lot of new things. But that's about it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Do you want to see more of traveling bag, packing, whatever? Is there any places you want me to check out? Let me know. Once again, in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.